This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to jack up a Subaru Crosstrek safely and effectively. First, prioritize safety by parking your vehicle on a flat, stable surface. Engage the parking brake firmly and place wheel chocks behind the wheels that will remain on the ground. This crucial step prevents any unintended rolling. Gather your essential tools: a sturdy floor jack, at least 2 reliable jack stands, and your wheel chocks. Always confirm your equipment can handle the vehicle's weight. To lift the front of your Crosstrek, locate the central jacking point on the front subframe, typically a reinforced area behind the engine. Carefully position your floor jack directly beneath this point, ensuring a stable contact. Begin to slowly raise the vehicle, observing its stability throughout the process. Once at your desired working height, place 2 jack stands securely under the designated pinch welds or frame rails, one on each side, near the front wheels. For the rear of your Crosstrek, the primary central jacking point is the rear differential housing. This is a robust component designed to support the vehicle's weight. Position your floor jack precisely under the center of the differential. Begin lifting the vehicle with smooth, controlled movements, always checking for any instability. Once the rear is elevated, place 2 more jack stands under the reinforced pinch welds or frame rails, one on each side, near the rear wheels. When you are ready to lower your Crosstrek, first slightly raise the vehicle with the floor jack, just enough to take the weight off the jack stands. This allows for easy removal of the stands. Carefully pull the jack stands out from under the vehicle. Then, slowly and steadily lower the Crosstrek back down to the ground using the floor jack's release valve. Once fully lowered, remove the floor jack and the wheel chocks. Perform a quick visual inspection to ensure everything is secure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.